In this video, I'll show you how to build a basic stand for a birdhouse or bird feeder. Let's get right to it. I'll start by measuring out and cutting up a board into 3 pieces, about 1.5 feet each. Both ends of all the boards will be cut at 45-degree angles. These will form the 3 base support legs. One end of each will need to be cut off to accommodate the limited space on the baseboard. Now I'm sure there's a mathematically correct way to measure this out, but I'm just going to freehand this as best I can. I'll just make sure all 3 fit correctly onto the board. To make it easier to attach, I'm going to outline each end with a pencil. After pre-drilling the holes, I'll secure each leg with a single screw to begin with, and then add an extra for solid joints. Here, we can see the underside configuration where the 3 legs come together. I'll sand down the top rim of the baseboard to create a smooth bevel. To attach the main stand, I'll first add an extra wood bracket to one end. One screw on each corner will create a firm hold. To ensure there's no movement in the legs, I'll add small braces using some upcycled wood pieces. At the top of the stand, I'll add an additional board that will act as an attachment piece to secure a birdhouse or bird feeder. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed the video and take away some ideas for your own projects. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.